Hey guys, how are we doing today? Bitcoin Kid here, March 12th, 2021. Welcome to the channel where I talk to you about the latest current events that's going on in the cryptocurrency world, and I show you my journey and what I'm doing to invest into Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, and how I show you which coins to invest in order to gain some profits to flip into Ethereum and or Bitcoin. Okay, all right guys, again, if you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Please like, and please don't forget to click the notification bell so you can get the latest videos. All right, let's get started. Okay, so Bitcoin, $57,397. All right, closing in on an all-time high, $58,367. We have the pivot point of the first resistance level, which is $58,921. Second level will be $60,189. Third level, $62,474. The pivot point for support levels will be, the first one is 55,368, the second is $53,083, and our third is 51,815. And basically, these are what the support levels of what Bitcoin, as long as it holds, there's money that people have invested in that are holding us at those levels. And again, the resistance is basically when basically the bears are trying to sell down to keep the price of Bitcoin down at those points. But those are the prices that we want to kind of either break through. We want to break through those resistance levels, and we want to stay at least at those support levels. Because if we go through if we break through the $51,815 support level, we could get into the low 40s Bitcoin price. So definitely we want to stay at least at those levels to keep the Bitcoin increasing. Okay, here's some news. We spoke yesterday. Goldman Sachs. They say the adoption of digital assets is just getting started. They believe that the pandemic has fueled the growth of the e-commerce, which will lead to explosion in cryptocurrency. These banks have large interest from their clients. They want to invest in cryptocurrency, but they have regulatory hurdles that are set by the SEC. So this is basically what is preventing a lot of these banks from getting heavily involved in cryptocurrency. But we're starting to see this mass adoption. So guys, this is the time really to get started, to start investing. If you think it's too late, a lot of people ask me, oh, is it too late to get involved? It's never too late to get involved, even if Bitcoin was $100,000, because if you have the mindset to believe that that these banks aren't just putting hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars into Bitcoin just because they feel like it. They know something's coming. They know, they have statistics. They're seeing that Bitcoin is starting to take over other hedges like silver and gold, and so they're preparing for the future, right? So if you think like that Bitcoin is gonna cap out at 50, 60,000, then yes, it is too late. But if you believe that Bitcoin can get to $1 million, $5 million, $50 million, then you see that this is just the beginning. So guys, again, I'm not a financial investor, so you do your homework, but this is definitely the time that, at least that I'm starting to invest as much as I can in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. Okay, let's move it forward. All right, now there we go. Here's another one. MicroStrategy adds another $15 million in Bitcoin. Now they're holding over 91,000 Bitcoin. So whatever the number that is, I think it's like $3 or $3.5 billion at this point. So that's, again, whale alert. We got Bitcoin whale, a $498 million Bitcoin in Bitcoins were moved on Thursday. This basically was sent to two separate wallets, and it was not sent to an exchange. So if it was sent to an exchange, then that would be alarming, because obviously if somebody's sending a whale is sending money from one wallet to an exchange, that means they want to sell the coin. But it wasn't sent to an exchange, so basically we don't really have to worry about too much. But although they do say that, they do suggest that by doing to a wallet, not exchanges, it might be sold on over-the-counter type sale as well. Okay, some altcoins to look out for. Shroom, it's ranked 483rd asset by the market cap. It's trading right now today about 70 cents. It rallied 480% in the past 30 days, so that's one to look out. So look for Shroom. It is not on Coinbase. It might be on crypto.com, but take a look at that. Here are some other ones: Ethereum, Polkadot, Aave, Uniswap, Avalanche, and Solana. They're going to outperform Bitcoin in percentage terms, according to crypto analyst Cater and Clark. He's found he did a YouTube interview. So that being said, guys, that's the news for today. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you what I'm doing in my portfolio, and I'll show you what kind of things that I'm seeing as well, and other coins that are supposed to be taking off and maybe 2x and 3x, and I'll even show you one that kind of 2x the other day as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks again. All right, guys, so we're back in Coinbase here. We're seeing Bitcoin actually is now down 56,542. Ethereum's down 1725. Cardano, they're saying this one's a sleeping giant. It did hit 144 like about a week or so ago. It's now down to 104. Polkadot's down a little bit. Uniswap, these are ones to look out for. Litecoin, this is going up 5.5%. Chainlink, keep an eye out for Chainlink. This, they're basically ready to do something very soon, so keep an eye on Chainlink. Let's take a look at some other ones here. Look at Terra, up 23%. Aave's down. VeChain, this was 50 something the other day. 0.057 cents the other day. It's up a little bit. These are some to look for. Look at this one, Chili's. This one's up 91%. Oh man, look at this one. Let's see what the deal is with this one. If you can, is this on? It's not supported on Coinbase, but this is up. They were talking about this one as well. Solana, take a look at this Solana. It's actually down right now, but I don't know if this is tradable. No, it's not tradable. Again, you might have to go to crypto.com. Hopefully Coinbase will allow some of these. They are starting to have some of their some of these other cryptos listed, like we talked about, which is the other one, Sushi Swap. Okay, this is one that's tradable now. This one's up 2.5%. Scale, that's another one that they're talking about, and the other one, Matic. I just invested in this one yesterday. I'll show you this one. This one went up to 55 cents, 59 cents when it got listed yesterday at 34 cents. I bought it around 34 cents. So this almost like 2x, right? So these are ones that have possibilities. But let's keep moving forward. Let's take a look at this. Those are some to look out for. Ravencoin, take a look at this. They're talking about a lot of the miners are going to start moving their hash rates over to Ravencoin, maybe starting in April. So, but this is not tradable here. So let's keep moving forward. And let's take a look over here. Bancor. Okay, Basic. This is another one. And let's go into the portfolio. Let's see what's going on here. Here's my portfolio. Bitcoin. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so here we are back in Bitcoin. 1,210, which I have. Decentraland, Mana. This is another one to look out for. Polygon. This is the one. It's down a little bit from what I purchased it yesterday, but it's still up, so that's really good. So what I'm doing is I'm basically investing in some of these smaller altcoins, because if they can 2x, then I can take some of those profits and convert over into Bitcoin, like while Bitcoin's down. So Bitcoin is down right now, so this would probably be a good time. Like for example, like Decentraland. Let's say I had bought this at like $50. So what I'm gonna do, one second, guys. So I'm gonna take Mana here. I'm gonna trade about $4 right here. I'm gonna convert, and I'm gonna convert about $4, but I want to convert this to Bitcoin since well, you know what? I'm gonna probably convert this to Ethereum because I need to start building up my Ethereum. So we're gonna convert that $4 to Ethereum. Preview convert. And it's going to show you no fees here, but when they do their conversion rate, they get their money. If I actually did this dollar amount, I'm sure it's not the exact amount, but it's off by a little bit. But I'm going to convert that right now. So I'm going to start building up my ETH again, because ETH they're saying it's really going to pump up this year. hopefully soon. So I just did $4 right there. Let's keep moving forward. Let's go back here. Let's see what else we got here. Give it a second. Let's get back out of here. Sorry about this, guys. Okay. So we got that one going on. Polygon, it's up a little bit. I'm probably going to convert a couple bucks over here. I'll probably do like $5 from here because it's gone up. I just want to leave some in here because I really feel like this one's going to go up again. But in the meantime, let's just do like $5. We're going to convert this to, and Ethereum's up 17.35. I'll just keep converting this. Ethereum. Okay, convert now. And that's basically what I'm gonna just do, is find the coins that are going up in value, and I just convert the profits over to either coin, either Ethereum or Bitcoin. And those are the ones that I'm hodling. I'm not selling those at all. You just want to keep your money in those because those are the ones that are really going to go up. Some of these other ones that I have, I was about $28 or so. They have calmed down, so I'm just going to kind of leave it there for now because I will be losing money if I do trade at that point. Hopefully it'll go back up. But you see my Ethereum's going back up a little bit. And I do have that. This is just what I have in here. I do want to show you what I have in the Nexo wallet account, and this is where I took a loan out on this. And I kind of just want to explain what I'm doing with my cryptos again, because when you sell or trade, you will be liable for capital gains tax, especially if you do it within 12 months. So even like this converting stuff, just to let you know, I probably will be paying capital gains tax. So, but that's just like in the smaller amounts. But for like the larger amounts, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, what I'm doing is I either probably going to convert it to this Nexo wallet account, and then take out a loan off this amount of dollar amount. And then, for example, like I had about 2,900 here, had 1.43 ETH, and I took a loan out for about $1,700. And I was able to use that money to buy more Bitcoin or some other coins as I'm investing. But I haven't sold $1,700 worth of ETH, because if I sell $1,700 worth of ETH, I'm sure, in the Coinbase system or whatever, they'll probably show you like what you bought it at and what the profit was. But I don't want to pay, 20, 30, 40% in capital gains tax. So what I did was I'm leaving my coins in here. I took a loan out, and now I'm investing in other coins that are like Bitcoin, and I'm leaving it in there. So as this goes up, let's say Ethereum goes up to 5K, I'll have let's say 1.5 coins. That'll go up to 7,500. I won't cash out, because if I cash out, I'm going to pay 20, 30, 40% capital gains tax. I'm just going to take a loan out, which I'm going to end up paying like 11% interest a year, but I'll have access to those funds, and I'll still have my 1.5 coins. So as Ethereum goes up in the years, it'll still go up as well, and I can use even some of that money to pay off the loan that I took out. So that'll kind of help me with taxes as well. So that's another strategy that I'm doing. But all right, guys, appreciate it. I do have in crypto.com, I do have about $175 in Cardano, waiting for that to go up, and I do have about $75 in Dogecoin. Let's see what happens. That Mark Cuban from the Mavericks, is now one of the largest merchants, that are accepting Dogecoin. So we'll see. You never know. Elon Musk puts another, tweet out there, and hopefully, those coins will go up, and we'll go from there. But all right, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or you want to get a hold of me, you can contact me on Instagram at BitcoinKidUSA. All right, guys, let's flip these cryptos. Have a great day.